Hello and welcome to Hastings Motorcycle Centre. We are delighted to present this stunning one-owner Honda CBR600RR, registered the 26th of June 2026 on a 26 plate with only 452 miles from new and presented in the stunning HRC colours. The legendary CBR600RR needs little introduction. Developed with Honda's extensive racing experience, it combines a high-revving 599cc inline-four engine with a lightweight chassis, sharp handling and an impressive electronics package to create one of the most exciting middleweight supersport motorcycles on the market. Equipped with a 6-axis IMU, multiple riding modes, selectable engine braking, Honda Selectable Torque Control, wheelie control, cornering ABS and a quickshifter, the CBR600RR delivers serious performance while retaining the refinement and build quality you would expect from Honda. This stunning one-owner example has covered just 452 miles from new and is presented in exceptional condition throughout, as you would expect from such a low-mileage motorcycle. This bike will leave us with its first service completed and benefits from the remainder of Honda's 6-year manufacturer's warranty, offering fantastic peace of mind for its next owner. We can deliver this motorcycle anywhere in the UK and offer a wide range of competitive finance packages to suit your needs. For more information, please contact us on 01424 44 44 48, WhatsApp 073 598 37799 or email sales@hastingsmotorcyclecentre.co.uk. Part exchanges are welcome. Please note, there is a small £89 administration fee.